Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming a chit chat, get ready with me for school. It's my senior year. I don't want to be late, so I should probably hurry. I already put on my face cream. I'm basically just gonna be putting the L'Oreal True Match and cover my face. I don't like using my beauty blender. I'll show you. I'm into special effects makeup. Didn't really think that liquid latex would stay on my beauty blender if I blended out liquid latex with it, but and like you can see, it's like crusty. Okay, I need to like kind of hurry. I have like an hour to get ready, which like I can do. It just I don't know if I can do that while talking. What am I even looking for right now? Beauty blender. I'm gonna use liquid latex beauty blender because I can't find my other. Use moisturizer. I don't want to use primer because primer like doesn't. I don't like the way it looks. So I'm gonna use a setting spray. So yeah. I put the setting spray on before. Okay. I need to move fast. I don't know why I'm like, you know. Oh, I forgot to do my eyebrows. I'll do them after. I'm not really that big into eyebrows anymore, you guys. I used to be like all about it. I used to have real boxy eyebrows. They weren't natural, but like my sophomore year, I had a bunch of like I would always do my makeup and be like, my eyebrows are snatched, and then really they'd be like coming out to here, which like it's so weird because I saw people with eyebrows like out there being like, oh, your eyebrows don't look good that far out, and then like I didn't think my eyebrows were far out. Then now like looking back, my eyebrows were crazy and nobody told me. But I feel like if somebody did tell me, I'd look in the mirror and be like, oh, they're fine. Because I have no memory of bringing them out to be that bad. But they were. Like looking at photos, you can see how bad my eyebrows are. But they're just, no one told me. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I don't like to do big eyebrows. Or even filling them in. I have really weird eyebrows. They're not even at all. And I know like, oh, they're sisters, not twins. Like, mine are like cousins, kinda. But like, they're okay with it. They're just like friends, you know, that look kind of alike. You know, as friends. Yeah. Honestly, my foundation's not looking good right now. I think it's because it has messed up beauty blender. I actually never wear this much makeup to school. The only reason I'm doing it is because I want to make a YouTube video. Just that makeup's expensive, and if I'm gonna wear it, I need to go. I need to show people, you know. So many people are texting me, spilling the tea. I'll do my eyebrows next. So yeah, what I was saying about eyebrows is they're crazy. So I just kind of go in down here, do that, and like lightly go right here. Even if I think it looks good, you know, it might not, and I might in a few years be like, hey, you were ugly, and I don't want to do that to myself. I have to go out and start my car soon. And I'm gonna go out with like half a face of makeup. They look okay up here, so I'm gonna trust that more. Because this looks weird. I feel like mirrors are more accurate because it's IRL. Okay, I'm not going in with my concealer. What is this? Maybelline Vent Me. I have Tarte Shade Tape, fun fact, but it's a shade too dark. So I just use it if I'm like breaking out or something. But I'm like, I use this one because it's lighter than my skin tone and it looks kind of better. I'm cheap. I just got it in an Ipsy bag. Also, I'm not getting Ipsy bags anymore. And it's kind of sad. I missed my Christmas one this year. I'm so upset about it. Yeah. I don't have money. I'm kind of broke, but like it's fine. I'm so forgetful of things. I don't really talk when I do my makeup. I just now realize this. So like this is a new experience. Cause like nobody watches me put on makeup. Nobody wants to. I feel like. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I look kind of good. Hey, my phone died, and I don't really know where it left off. Oh, my phone didn't die. Storage ran out. Deleted some stuff. Good to go. Okay, I'm gonna use some contour. Do that fun stuff. Oh, I'm using this Christopher Buckle palette. This I got at Costco. It opens up kind of fancy like. I don't know. This is probably not a good brand. I don't know. I got it at Costco. So. Ew. These are not similar. Unpopular opinion. Ow, ow, ow. I just hurt myself. My foot's asleep. Unpopular opinion. I don't like highlighter that much. I don't know what it is. I used to love it, but I don't know. I think it looks kind of bad on me personally. My love for it has kind of faded away. You think? Oh, I know. I still need to blush it up. Or okay. Onto the eyes. I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. It's actually really nice. It's a drugstore one, and it has all these pretty colors, and I really like it. I really do like it. It's pretty cheap too, I think. Okay, well I'm actually gonna grab some Cola Float, put on my eyeball, kind of like as a transition shade. I don't really know what that means, but I feel like this is as a transition shade, like what I'm doing. You can't really see what I'm doing. And then I'm just like adding more and like going throughout the entire eye and stuff. I'm not good at makeup. I can make a decent like end result of makeup, but I'm not good at it. You know, like I don't have talent for makeup. See, and right here, like I could stop, but I feel like it's gonna be too boring, so I'm just gonna continue going and probably mess it up. So I'm going to college next year. It's kind of scary. If you ask me. I do cut crease. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is what we're feeling. Are we feeling a cut crease or are we not? I feel like cut crease might be a little too much for school, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Oh, I didn't prime my eyes. Darn. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape for my cut crease. It's actually not gonna be a cut crease. I'm just gonna whiten like down here, like the eye. This, where this is. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna check the time real quick. Okay, I have about 15 minutes. What? Why did I put yellow there? I'm such a dummy. I didn't put yellow there. Could have been such a sunsetty moment. How do I feel about this? I'm gonna put a little yellow in there. I'm gonna go a little cray cray today. I have a blister. I burnt myself on a frying pan. Not a frying pan. It was a cookie sheet, but it hurts so bad, you guys. Don't even know. Looks like a sunflower. Okay. My eyeshadow looks really messy. So, next thing I'm doing is I'm taking some black. I'm just kind of lining my eyes like eyeliner, but I'm too scared to actually use an eyeliner. So I use black eyeshadow. And then mascara. BRB. I want food. No, I don't. Do I? Yeah, I want food. Out of my face, so beautiful. You know I'm too drunk to die right now. Oh, I found this. I'm gonna use in LA Colors lipstick. It's a natural shine. I got this at the Dollar Tree, but it looks real cute still. It's like the only nude I have. So, ew. I put too much. I'm just putting stuff around my lipstick to make it look less boring. Should I highlight right now? I think I might. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit Sun Dipped. I'm gonna use Winston. It's my favorite. There's so much work. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. I think I should go. Thanks for watching. I guess I really was not that entertaining. I just did my makeup and talked a little bit, not that much. I had to cut out a lot. I cut out a lot of stuff. Yeah, thanks for the support of watching me do my makeup. Makes me feel less lonely. Okay, bye.